Design Gurukul is the best. Come and join and experience what I experienced.
This Gurukul is a very unique institute to make one's life very happy.
So in Design Gurukul, I am so happy to meet these people. Like, they are giving their love unconditionally.
So I am getting lot of energy that way. So I am full of positive energy, and I am feeling so blessed after meeting Atmanthan.
Attending the first session, it's miraculous.
In Gurukul, I can say it is the best institute in Vastu, and plus their initiative about spiritual concern, that is Atmanthan. I am taking mind training here. It's very beautiful. It helped me in conquering my negative points, that is anger. I am able to conquer my anger through this mind training. Thank you, Rahul sir, for this opportunity. These are always, in fact, not teachers here, staff, everybody's here is for giving only. You ask and you get. Design Gurukul is the best. Come and join and experience what I experienced.
Many of the spiritual institutes, I know that, they also give a lot of sermons. They give a lot of sermons, So there we only have to, listen to the sermons and go back home. But it's not that here. Now it is dramatized here. Now what they preach is really, in fact, dramatized here, and we are asked to follow up and all those things, and we should see our own changes, what is happening inside. Now this is on one side they're imparting knowledge, their dramatization also, and other thing that they allow you to go for self-evaluation. Now all these factors make this Gurukul as a very unique institute to make one's life very happy.
They are working unconditionally. They are not taking anything from anyone. They are just giving. They are just sharing. They are truly doing the work of God, because God cannot come in this earth, right? So He had made someone, and from those someone, these light people are working. So I am so blessed to get these wisdom, to get these knowledge about life, about the all things from Rahul sir, from Saroj ma'am, from this Gurukul, Design Gurukul team. They are amazing people. So to be honest, they are like very, very nice guys. I'm so happy to associate with these people, and I really wish that मैं इनको कभी ना छोड़ूं, and मैं इन्हीं के साथ ही अपनी life को continue रखूं. I really wanted to continue my life with these people. They are amazing, amazing, amazing. No words for these people.
You have to recognize maximum your power. So you have to come to the Design Gurukul, where you'll get all the clarity of your powers, hidden powers, lots of things. Suppose understanding each other, relationship understanding, society understanding, working on understanding, professional, and lots of things I have came to know here. I loved most about the place's environment. It's so spiritual environment and calm and peace. I feel so calm at here, because I connect myself to the spiritual power whenever I come here. That's why I feel so special in this place.
So I'll come here in the Design Gurukul, and I've taken the first session. In reality, when I'll take what should I say, like on first session, attending the first session, it's miraculous. My thoughts, my views, my headaches or whatever thoughts, with the negative only, not the positive thoughts. My thoughts are changing, very smoothly changing. So like it's a fantastic session. Our sir, Dr. R.M. Mehra sir, is the teacher of our Atmanthan. He's taken the session of Atma Manthan.
All the students and other members of Atma Manthan and Design Gurukul, they are just like family members. Dr. Rahul Mehra, who is the director of this institute, he is not only a teacher, he is a very humble personality, and he treats everybody so sweetly, with so egoless, and his way of teaching is very much indifferent than other teachers or mentors in other institutes. So he has created a very family type atmosphere here. So everybody feels so comfortable and so nice to get training, get education, and be with all those members here.